Hi everyone, welcome to the video lecture. In the last video we have discussed about the derived gates, and in this video lecture we are going to discuss the circuit diagrams. And before going to the how to draw circuit diagrams for the given expression, I want to tell you what is the what is the necessity of drawing the circuit diagram for the Boolean expression, given Boolean expression. First thing is Boolean expression or a Boolean algebra is useless unless it is converted into the hardware format. Boolean algebra, when it is converted into the hardware format, it is very useful for the users or programmers or the computer system. When we are not converting the Boolean algebra, given Boolean algebra is not converted into the hardware in a sense, Boolean algebra or a Boolean expression are useful when we use to convert them into the hardware format. Unless we are not converting into the hardware format, in the sense it is useless. Boolean algebra is a useless. So the way of converting the Boolean algebra into the hardware format is nothing but a one way, by drawing the circuit diagram for the Boolean expressions. Let us see how to draw the circuit diagram for the given Boolean expressions. Let us consider one of the Boolean expression of a system containing the three variables f of a comma b comma c. Here f represents you the function or a Boolean expression, a comma b comma c represents you the literals, logical literals in the given system. A complement b plus b complement c plus a b c, that is this one c complement. Let us have this expression. They have given the Boolean expression. Now we have to convert this expression, Boolean expression, into the logical circuit. This we have to convert into the circuit diagram. Let us see, before going to the conversion of this expression into the circuit diagram, let us see what are all the operations, that is logical operations, are involved in it. First step in converting the given expression into the circuit diagrams, we have to observe what are the available logical operations are there in a given expression. First thing, we have the basic gates. One is a NOT gate, another one is a AND gate, and another one is a OR gate. Keep it in mind, these three operations, logical operations, and the mathematical symbol which is used for representing these operators. Where for NOT gate we are using the bar, or else this symbol, just a inverted comma like that we are getting. For AND operation we are using the dot, and for OR operation we are using the addition, that is logical addition symbol. Just keep it in mind, these three operations are very useful in converting the given expression into the circuit diagram. Let us see, here we have the A complement into B, that represents you A complement dot B plus B complement dot C plus A dot B dot C complement, which is the given expression we have written in the involving the mathematical symbol. We have converted the given expression into the mathematical symbolical format, that is one. Then A complement is also written as a not A, the operation not A, which is just from here onwards I will write. From here onwards I will write. Just continue. This step is the first step, and this is the second step. I am starting from here. A complement can be written as a not A. Dot will be written as a and B, and B plus. You can write it as a OR gate. Afterwards I will write it not B and C plus A and B, and operation is there, and not C. This is what just we have written the given expression into the operations. We have converted the given expression into the operational form. Just operational form we have converted. Now it is easy to draw the circuit diagram for this one. It is easy to draw the circuit diagram for this one. First see, this is the one gate, AND gate involved of two literals. AND gate, this is the one AND gate involved of two literals. One is a NOT A and another one is a B. This is the another one AND gate involving the again two literals. One is a NOT B and C. Finally, this is the another one AND gate involving the three literals. One is a A, another one is a B, and third one is a not C. This is a three AND gates we are getting. We are getting a three AND gates in this expression. So you first thing is you have to draw the three AND gates. Two AND gates containing the two inputs and another one AND gate containing the three inputs. Let us see. Let us draw that one. Here I will draw here. Just this is a simplified form which will be, you can easily understand how to draw the circuit diagrams. Before just you have to, in the learning stages of drawing the circuit diagram, you have to follow this method. Once you can understand, if you understood completely to draw the circuit diagrams, in the sense there is no necessity of simplifying like this, given expression into like this, there is no necessity of simplifying like this. So directly you can draw the circuit diagram. Up to understanding level you have to try this method only. Okay na? Just I will copy this one below so that easily I can draw the circuit diagram for this one in this place. Okay na? Not A and B. This is the first AND gate. Second one, not B and C. This is the second not AND gate. Third AND gate is a and B and not C. This is the third AND gate. Just I will erase this one so that easily I can draw here complete circuit diagram for this one. First thing, first AND gate, second AND gate and a third AND gate. You have to draw the three different AND gates. First AND gate I will draw here, second AND gate and a third AND gate. Where just I will draw the input lines first. First two inputs for the first AND gate, two input lines for the second AND gate, and again three input lines for the third AND gate. Let us see one by one input. First, not A is there. If not A, in the sense you have to get you have to insert the not operation, or it has to be operation not before the input. What happens here? If you provide a here, but you need a not A, so it is convenient to insert a NOT gate before the input goes into the AND gate. So I am just inserting the NOT gate in the input line, first input line, so that I will provide a here. It will be converted into the A complement before the AND gate. Okay na? Before the AND gate only it will convert in the A complement. Then AND B is there. There is no need to insert any NOT gate here. So easily you can write a B as here. So directly B will be provided to the AND gate. Okay na? Next, the output for this one is A complement into B. Operation of AND gate is into logical manipulation A complement into B. Next one is not B and C is there. So as usual I will insert a NOT gate here. So I will provide the B here. B complement happens here before the AND gate, second AND gate. So I will provide a C. So It will be B complement C. Next one, A is there, B is there, not C is there. As usual, for not C, you have to insert the C with a NOT gate. C with a NOT gate, C complement A, B. Finally, we will get the answer A into B into C complement. Now, these three NAND gate we have just drawn a symbolic format or else a circuit diagram for three AND gates. Now these three AND gates are connected to the C here. Just what this symbol represents as the logical and logical addition in the sense that is nothing but a OR gate. So you can connect these three outputs, these three AND gate outputs to the OR gate as the inputs. These three are the inputs for the OR gate. These three are the inputs for the OR gate. That is represents a logical addition operation. That is the OR gate containing the three inputs. Those are nothing but the outputs of individual AND gates. First thing, this is the final answer for this one is F is equal to, treat this as A, B, C. First A is A complement B plus B complement C plus A into B into C complement. This is the logical circuit diagram for the given expression. This conversion of the expression into the AND gate, NOT gate like this form will be, you can write or else you can leave it. This is up to the understanding level. If you understand to write the circuit diagram for the given expression completely, if you understand in the sense, there is no need to follow this way. If you are not understanding in the sense, just follow this way to understand. After that you can leave it. Okay now, this is the one of the example for drawing the circuit diagram. Let us see another example. Let us see another example. One of the expression we will get it and draw the circuit diagram for the given Boolean expression. Let us see f of x comma y comma z. Here just I have changed the literal types. There in the previous expression we have taken a B, C. Now I have taken a X, Y, Z as a literals. X complement plus Y, Z plus X complement Z. X complement Z complement. Let us see. Just if you are simplifying this given expression, it will becomes directly I will write in a single step. Not X complement is nothing but a not X plus YZ is there. I will write it as a into symbol. Just assume the into symbol. So and Z, Y and Z plus X complement is there. For that not X. In between a not X and not Z, we have AND operation. AND operation is there. Not Y. This is the step we need. It is easy to understand how to draw the circuit diagram for the given expression. If you are not understanding this step, you can ask me through the WhatsApp. Okay, na? Then I am going to draw the circuit diagram for given expression. First thing is a not X is there. So only not X is there. For that, no operations are there or not there. Any other operations are not there for not X. No operations are there for not X. So directly you have to just input the value of X to the NOT gate. Just you have to insert one NOT gate, provide the input as a X, it will becomes a X complement which is needed here. Okay na? Then after that you can just connect this one to the OR gate. Okay na? Now let just second one is there, AND gate is there. Just draw the AND gate which is contains of two inputs. Simply Y and Z, which means for Y into Z. Then go for third one, which is AND gate. Before AND gate, both the input to be complemented or inserted into the NOT gate. So one more AND gate I am drawing here. This one is the NOT gate for a X, and for Y another one NOT gate I am inserting here. It will become the X complement, Y complement. Finally we will get a X complement and Y complement. And these three inputs, 1, 2, 3. This is the output for these gates, but these are the inputs for the another logical OR operation, or else we can say it as a OR gate. Just connect these three to the OR gate. We will get an answer or a result as a F is equal to X complement plus Y into Z plus X into X complement into Z complement. X complement into Z complement, which is OR gate, which is AND gate, which is NOT gate. This is the representation or else a circuit diagram for the given expression of system containing the three literals. This is the another one example or a second example. Let us see the one more example in the just a similar way. Let us see another example. System containing the again three literals, X complement plus Y into X plus Y complement X plus Z complement. Let us see this one, or else X plus Z, simply you can take it as X plus Z. Let you can just observe this one. This is different from our previous two expressions. What is the difference in the sense that two different previous examples are in the SOP form. Are you remembering this one SOP? Anyone? Yes, if you are remembering this SOP in the sense, that's fine. Or else go through the SOP concept. That two examples or expressions are in the SOP form, and this one is in the form of POS, product of sum of products. Product of a sum form is that SOP and POS. Don't confuse because SOP and POS has to be maximum literals. Just I am saying the form, that format are these equations or else these expressions just resembles as a POS and SOP. Not exactly SOP and POS. Just this resembles like a POS and SOP I am telling. Okay na? Then let us go to drawing the circuit diagram for this one. First one, you have to simplify the given expression. X complement is there. For that you can write it as a not X, and OR operation is there. For that write OR and Y. This is the first OR gate. Into is there, or else you can write it as a AND gate. I am not having the much place here, so that I am just writing the dot. Second one, X as it is, plus is there, for that OR. Y complement is there, for that not Y. Okay na? Next third one is there, for that X or Z. And keynote you have to remember is always you have to write the gates in the capitalized formats, or and not like that you have to write. Okay na? Remember this one also. Then this is enough to draw the circuit diagram. Let us start to draw. First one, second one, and a third one, OR gate. Three OR gates are there. Before in the last previous expressions, we have got three AND gates. Now we are getting three OR gates. Draw the OR gate for a first two inputs. Not X is there, for that NOT gate we have to insert, and for Y directly insert, just input the Y. We will get a X complement plus Y. Then second, for the second OR gate, X is there and not Y is there. Finally, we will get a x plus y complement. Then last one, x plus z is there. For that, OR gate with the two inputs, x and z, x plus z. If you are connecting these three outputs as the inputs for a AND gate, three inputs AND gate, if you are connecting these three, then it will be the output or a finalized circuit diagram for the given expression. Because these three OR gate operations are connected with the AND operations. These three OR gate operations are connected with the AND operations, so that we have to insert one of the AND gate at the end with the three outputs as the inputs for it one. Outputs of a OR gate are the inputs for this AND gate, x plus z. This is the final answer from the circuit diagram. This is the way of writing or else drawing the circuit diagrams for the given expressions. And anyone having the doubts in the sense, you can contact through the WhatsApp. Now I am giving you the two expressions as a homework. Just simplify the given expression. If you are not understood the clarity way or completely, if you are not understanding in the sense, simplify the given expression as a AND operation and OR operation, then go for the drawing the circuit diagrams. And if you are completely understood the concept in the sense, no need to simplify the given expression, directly go for drawing the circuit diagrams. First one, f of a comma b comma c is equal to, just note it down and draw the circuit diagrams. A complement b c plus AB complement plus B complement C complement. Second one, f of A comma B comma C, A complement plus B complement, A complement plus B plus C, A plus B complement. Third one more. This is a different is there. Just make it try in a home. If you are not getting, then I will tell you in a next class. Some more different is there. A complement B C, AB whole complement B complement. Just this is not mandatory. Make it try. If you are getting, that's okay, fine. If you are not getting this problem, there is no problem. I will solve you in a next class. And these two are the mandatory, compulsorily you have to solve the or draw the circuit diagram for these two expressions.